intelligence. And I know you have a solid marketing plan, web ads, lead gen. We need something different.
Okay, what are you thinking?
We need a viral video.
Viral video? No, dude. No thanks.
It'll be great. People won't know what hit them.
Don't platform for disruption to me, okay, bro? Get back to coding. We're all good.
It'll be the best thing since Gangnam Style.
This is why we got you a therapy buddy, okay? No.
You know what? You don't need to do anything.
Evan.
My team will handle
Hey,
everything. It's gonna be great.
Evan.
You'll see.
Yo!
Okay, so we have planking and the ice bucket thing. I'm not sure about Tide Pods. Can't you die from eating them? Okay, well, how are we gonna get across our vertical features?
The mannequin challenge.
Fantastic. Then what about global financials?
What about the Dorito bag?
What's that?
You fill up a bathtub with Doritos and you just lay on it.
And then what?
That's it.
Sounds very dumb. Perfect.
Who's lava? Sweet people.
Sleep over?
Sweet people.
We're purple?
No. You kind of put your head in your arm and then lower it, you know, sort of like this. Maybe we just skip this one.
Wait. Can you do that again? I wasn't recording.
Really? Well, here goes. I nominate Jim McGeever to take the Ice Bucket Challenge.
Peanut butter in. Next gen analytics.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
Mannequin challenge.
No. You just look like you're working. You have to do something like this. Wow, Larry is gonna love this.
Open Gangnam Style.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Executive Vice President of Development, Evan Goldberg.
Gangnam Style.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's grow time and plank time. My children saw that video and they were like, Dad, that's it. We're out of the will. Welcome to day 2 of SuiteWorld. Really excited to see all of you today. Oh, look at that. Besides the best product, we're delivering the largest and most colorful legal disclaimer. So, we're going to talk about a bunch of new capabilities that we're working on the product team today. This is the 8th SuiteWorld that I've come up and done that, and I think you're going to love what we're showing today. When we think about why we're doing what we're doing and what we deliver to customers, we kind of think about the keys to growth that NetSuite can help you with. And there's sort of 5 of them, and you'll see this weave throughout the presentation. And this is Vegas. So if you want, we can have a drinking game. Every time I mention one of these, take a drink. You'll enjoy the presentation even more. So automation, I mean, that's number 1. Why do you implement ERP systems and CRM systems? It's basic, it's just ultimately to save you time. And you'll see a lot of great things we're doing with automation today. Insight, I mean, again, you put all this data in the system, you want to get the data out of the system. You want to get great insight into how you can operate your business better. As your business grows, you have more people. It's not 3 people in a room where you can kind of control things by voice. You have a ton of employees working on a bunch of different things, and control is an incredibly important part of making your business run efficiently. But we know that the only constant is change. And the agility of the system to be able to change as your company changes, as circumstances changes, is critical for success. And then finally, collaboration. And this is where we think we really shine, because it's one system. Everybody's working sort of off of the same playbook. Collaboration is more than sending emails and tweets. I mean, it's really about business processes, crossing departments, everybody working together towards the same goals. So as you watch some of the things we're demonstrating today, see if you hear a little bit of this, and again, if you do, take a drink. So we show this every year. We're growing the team just like we were growing it in the past. Every year it gets better. We're going to hire more people into R&D in 2018 than ever before. And so that's, an exponential curve of investment. And if you integrate under the curve, it's a little shout out to all you calculus fans out there. I'm sure there's a couple of them. We've invested over $1 billion in R&D for NetSuite. And part of growth, and this is going to be true for your companies, it's certainly true for our company, part of growth and remaining vibrant is reinvention. We're aggressive about saying, you know what, in this area we're going to start from scratch, learn from what we did before, and redo it even better. And we're going to be leapfrogging our own technology. So that's like the next step beyond planking is self-leapfrogging. It's try it sometime. Here's some examples of things that we really are reinventing from scratch. Suite Commerce, we took our original web store technology, everything we learned, and built it into a brand new commerce capability. Suite Analytics, we're going to show some of that today, where we took what we learned from search and reporting and built a brand new way to get insights out of your data. Suite Tax, we realized that as we went global, the way we were doing taxes wasn't going to scale. We redid taxes from scratch. Craig's going to talk about that a little bit later. Suite Cloud Development Framework. This is a brand new way, we've been working on it for several years, to build extensions to NetSuite. And using team development capabilities, the latest IDEs. Again, we redid it from scratch. And Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. We're reconceiving how we're going to deliver the service. We were in the data center business in a while. We're getting out of the data center business. And we're going to use all the capabilities of Oracle's public cloud to deliver the best possible experience for our users. So that's a huge investment, the reinvention, but it's really not about us. I mean, it's about helping you to grow and succeed. And we're thrilled with the feedback that we're getting from our customers, and we really do listen. We'll talk a little bit later about how you can give us even more feedback. But customers say you've automated taking 100 hours to 40. I've been leveraging the real-time insights I get out of NetSuite. I've been able to scale my business very quickly, and I'm working aligned across the company. So thank you for those great kudos, and we'll keep trying to deliver the types of capabilities that will make you give us great quotes. So what I'm going to show today is just a sample of what we're working on. As I said, we have an enormous team, but we're going to talk about some of the advances we're making in 6 different areas. We're going to talk about verticals and how you operate in your type of business. Global financials, how you can grow internationally. Human resources, how you manage your most important resource, which is people. Technology, the things we're doing under the covers and in our platform to make NetSuite more effective for you. And analytics, this is a promise we made in SuiteWorld 1, and we're delivering on it. We're going to hear about that today. And finally, we're really excited to talk about the intelligent suite. So let's get started. So to grow, you need to streamline and automate your key operations. It's often determined by what vertical you're in. So let's talk about what we're doing to automate some of your key operational workflows. We're going to start with omnichannel commerce. It's critical for wholesale distributors, manufacturing, retail. And we have a unique, unified ERP and commerce experience. B2C, what people expect when they go on the web is actually what B2B buyers are increasingly expecting also. And to show some of the great advances we're making here, I'd like to introduce Alison O'Clair, the VP of Product Management for Commerce.
So the commerce team is looking to help you grow in 3 different ways. First, we're making our commerce solutions easier to implement, upgrade, and extend, increasing the performance and reliability of our solutions, and empowering you to be in the driver's seat of your commerce experience. Let's take a look at each one a bit more. Last year, we introduced the pilot of SuiteCommerce, a new addition to the commerce family that marries the modern commerce platform of SuiteCommerce Advanced with the ease and simplicity of SiteBuilder. This year, I am thrilled to announce the general availability of SuiteCommerce in the United States. You can focus on running your business with beautiful ready-made themes, advancements in site management tools, KPIs, and dashboards, while we have you covered with automatic upgrades that keep you up to date at all times. And with the introduction of Suite Success for Commerce, we can have you up and running in 30 days with pre-configured templates and e-commerce leading practices for B2B, for B2C, as well as a combined offering that brings e-commerce in-store and ERP. Here you can see a great example of a site we recently launched, wholesale distribution site by Sugarfina. It looks fantastic and was in less than 30 days. And the best part of all, as Jim announced yesterday, for the first 1,000 customers who sign up for SuiteCommerce, we will include a Suite Success for Commerce implementation at no additional cost. So please come visit us to learn more at Commerce Connect and Grow in the Expo. Next, we also know that it's critical to your commerce experience that there's an ecosystem around your commerce offering. And powering that ecosystem is the Commerce Extension Framework, which we also announce as generally available today. Using the framework, developers can create reusable themes and extensions for both SuiteCommerce and SuiteCommerce Advanced. And business users can use those extensions to add capabilities to their websites easily without technical help and still upgrade. We are using this framework ourselves at NetSuite in the product team, delivering extensions, some of which are available now, some of which will be available in the coming months in the form of both functional components as well as third-party technology integrations. And partner developers as well as customer developers can use these same development tools to create your own extensions and grow the community. Next, we heard loud and clear from you that when it comes to the in-store experience, you need to be able to transact no matter what, even if your internet connection is down. And so with the new SuiteCommerce in-store offline mode available in 18.1, you don't have to worry. With just your tablet, SCIS will detect if there's a connection issue and prompt you automatically to go into fallback mode. Once your connection is available again, it will automatically reconcile all of those transactions back to NetSuite. And a great benefit of this architecture change is that we're seeing performance improvements online from using it as well, with some steps being as much as 70 to 80% faster than previously. It also enables new models to help you grow, such as pop-up stores. And finally, we understand that you want to have control over your commerce experience, and so we are committed to continuing to deliver the business user tools to help you do that, including new capabilities that we're working on